Hello, all. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. It's been about close to 3 days. I've not been keeping too well. Uh, Apparently, I have all the symptoms of COVID, but I did also go and do an RT-PCR, and apparently the report came negative. So I really hope I'm negative, but I'm on a lot of medication at this point in time, and still my throat is on the way to recovery. So it's third day, and I'm say about 40% better than what I was 3 days back. So yeah, so as usual, very excited that I got a goodie bag from Race Dynamics today. So I couldn't control myself. I thought I will go ahead and do a quick unboxing and check it out, what's in it. So yeah, let's dive into it. So yeah, my friends, so this is the bag what I got from Race Dynamics. I'd ordered a couple of items, so I hope it's just that. Oh, I think I will do it this way. Yeah, I hope I didn't tear apart the invoice. So I will check that out later. I think that should be fine. Hmm? All right, so we have the product here called FuelX Auto Tune Pro. So this particular product I ordered for the Interceptor 650, and this is FuelX, which you might have heard. It's from Race Dynamics, and it's a state-of-art electronic plug-in fuel injection optimizer, right? So it basically sits between your O2 sensor and ECU, and auto tunes the engine for optimum performance, right? So based on the engine condition, based on the riding style, based on any kind of modifications you have on the bike, like air filter or exhaust, etc., right? And also the external conditions like temperature, altitude, humidity, and all those factors. It's a product which works on AI technology, and it just does all of that, right? So, and it's got very raving reviews in the market. I'm sure if you look up YouTube, you'll find a lot of reviews on this particular product, way people have used it, and the rather, to cut to the chase, in terms of features and benefits, what exactly does this product offer, right? So it basically offers reduced engine and exhaust temperatures. So that is something which Race Dynamics claims that it's noticeable, and which enhances the engine life indirectly and eliminates any flat spots and jerkiness, right? When you accelerate a bike, at times you would feel certain flat spots, right? It eliminates all of that, eliminates all the jerkiness, smoother engine performance, and 10 switchable maps is the USP of this particular product, right? You can switch the maps based on your need. Ultimately, it results in lesser downshifts. You could ride at a lower gear, at you know at a lower speed, in a top gear. That's what I meant. So improved power and torque figures. So yeah, that's the product, and yeah, that's about it. There's no seal as such here, so it just opens this way. It's a made in India product. Okay. Okay, what do we get? We get a quick start user guide, a warranty card, and a lot of paperwork here, a lot of thing to read, and diagrams and etc. How to install the product and all those things, and different maps, right? So I said that there are 10 switchable maps, right? One being the leanest, two being the less leaner. Why would you need a leaner map, right? When you go to a higher altitude where the amount of air is very less in the atmosphere, so bike also does get very less air. So that's where it becomes important for the bike to run a lean mixture. So you would use two and one in only such situations, but otherwise, typically I would like to operate between 4 to 8 in a regular daily usage and see where my bike settles well and what I like the most. So yeah, that's something I will figure out after I install the product. Okay, so very nicely packed product, I must say. Wow, lot of things inside. And this is supposed to be the switch what we were talking about, which operates this is the plus and this is to lower the maps and all of that. And the main device is here, the FuelX Pro. Yeah, all of that, and a lot of goodies have been provided in form of stickers and keychain, and a lot of all the wiring harnesses provided here. You wouldn't need anything else apart from this. So yeah, so we will figure that out when we go ahead and install the product. And but for now, we will check out what else is in the box, right? So what else? What else? Yeah. So this is the FlashX. What I got. So it's an hazard flasher, which again is again a plug and play for the bike. And to go with this, flasher works really well when you have LED bulbs installed. So hence I went ahead and got SimTag LED bulbs, which I believe are the best what we get for the Interceptor. Retails at 10,990 for Interceptor because it's for a two-cylinder engine. But otherwise, they have this similar product for Himalayan and other bikes. You can look up Powertronic website. So this one costs about 10,990 and others cost about 9,990. So that's on the pricing. So yes, now that we have seen what's all in the box, so let's see what's in the box for the FlashX, right? So FlashX is a product which is going to provide you a hazard flash module with 60 patterns, right? Again, this is a plug and play device which just goes into your existing wiring harness. So this one costs about 1,999, close to 2,000 rupees. And let's check it out what's in the box. Okay, the wiring harness, right? And this wiring harness is going to be very specific to the bike is what I understood. And rest of the it says Interceptor 650. Definitely it's meant for the bike. And I believe rest of the product remains pretty much the same. Only the wiring harness is different, right? So they have some stickers and a warranty booklet, etc. Yeah, let's just pop it down. There it goes. Okay, so this pretty much is the device. It's a very little one and totally waterproof, uh, as I can see. But there are some LEDs here which blink and show you the indication of how it works. So in terms of pretty much, I think this is how the wire would go in. And there are detailed instructions provided in the manual here, and it just tells you how to activate and all of that. And yeah, there are videos available how to install this from Race Dynamics, and when I install it I would be doing a video of this as well. So yeah, please do stay tuned on installation video of both FlashX and the FuelX Pro. Thank you so much, friends. Take care of yourselves and stay safe.